Headline: DAYO AMUSA opens up about emotional journey after doctors recommended womb removal following 3 miscarriages. To get the full details of her journey, make sure to watch her video till the very end. Her message of strength and perseverance is not one to miss. In a deeply emotional revelation, popular Nollywood actress and singer DAYO AMUSA shared her harrowing experience of being advised by medical professionals to consider removing her womb after suffering 3 consecutive miscarriages. In a recent video posted on her social media, the actress opened up about her struggles, resilience, and the strength it took to navigate such a challenging chapter of her life. AMUSA began her video by encouraging viewers to watch till the end, emphasizing the importance of her story in inspiring and educating others who may be facing similar challenges. "This isn't just my story, it's the story of so many women," she said. "It's about hope, faith, and not giving up when life throws its toughest challenges at you." The actress detailed the pain of losing her pregnancies and the moment doctors recommended a life-changing procedure as a solution. She admitted it was a difficult pill to swallow but chose to seek other medical opinions and explore alternative options. DAYO also highlighted the stigma surrounding women's reproductive health issues, urging society to be more supportive and compassionate. Fans and colleagues have flooded her comments with messages of love and support, applauding her courage for sharing such a personal experience. Let's celebrate her bravery and extend the conversation about the silent battles many women face.